Hi everyone, welcome back in my video. Glad to see you here again. So in this video, I'm going to show to you something special about how to use the application for video editing. I hope you like this video and happy watching. Okay everyone, before we enter to the tutorial how to use the application for video editing, first of all, I'd like to invite you to watch this clip video. So this video created by myself some days ago. Also, you can check the video and the link in the description below. Okay, in this video, I can move or change the background from the original video. And the second one, I can put myself, there are two characters or two persons in the video and in the same time. So how can I do that and how can I create it? Of course, there is a special application that I have used. What is it? Are you curious about that? Okay, so the name of the application is Kine Master. Oops, I lose one letter. Wait a second. Okay, thank you. So the name of the application is Kine Master, but here the application should be Pro. So what does it mean? Usually the application which is Pro, usually there is no watermark. Okay, so let's go to the how to use the application, especially for Kine Master. There you go. Okay everyone, before you are going to create your amazing video, there are some preparation that you must do when you are going to edit your video. What are them? Let me tell you. First of all, it is about preparing the application. So here, please download the Kine Master Pro. So you can check the link in the description below. Just click it and you will have the application. Because there is no Kine Master Pro in the Play Store, but just from this link. Okay? So the characteristic of the application that have been Pro, usually there is no watermark. Okay? And after that, after you download the application, please click the application and then there are some instruction which is there is a written text in the application. Just say follow and then please click it. Okay? And you will enter to the application. The second preparation here also, it is about preparing the background of your video. Okay, here I really recommend for you to use the green screen when you are going to make your video. So the background of your video must be green. So you can take the green cloth, okay, the green cloth as your background of your video. Why? Because the green screen will help you to change the background of your video, and also you can add different background of your video, and it must be interesting. So when you are going to take your video, please stand in front of the green screen, in front of the background, and then please make sure they're about 10 centimeters your distance from the green screen and yourself. So don't too close with the green screen, because if you are too close between you and green screen, there is shadow behind you, and it will impact to your editing video. Okay, so please about 7 centimeters or maybe 10 centimeters. It's depend on the condition of your room, and then please take your video. Well, now we are going to make a video. Please open the application and then please make a new video and please fill the resolution. Please click the next, and after that please choose the background of your video. Actually, there's a lot of pictures in the application, but if you don't like it, just find the other pictures or background on your phone, just like this, and make it a little long. Yes, just like this. After that, also you can add pictures here, just like this. Okay, and then if just delete it if you don't like it. Also, you can give the effect just like this, a little blur. Alright, and then you can add a lot of text here, stickers. There's a lot of stickers here, a little funny, yeah, just like this. You can also give the text, for example, editing video tutorial, and then choose. Very nice. Okay, so now you are going to adjust the text based on what you want, and please choose the color as what your favorite color. Okay, and after that make it a little long, and please choose what style the text what do you want, just like this, and then adjust it again. Also, you can add a video on the background. Okay, let me check it first. Oh, this one. And the first point here is please crop the video. Okay, please crop the video and just leave the green area, just like this. And then please click layer and then choose the kunci chroma. So kunci chroma, it is a way for you to remove the green screen. Okay, just like that, and adjust it. Okay, finally done. And then please move it to other place as what you want. Okay, there you are. And then please check. Alright, now you are going to add another video again. So this is what make the KineMaster is interesting and easy to use, and also because there is a lot of way to add a lot of video in the same time on the background. This is what make this video, what make this application unique. Okay, just like this. And then you may also cut in the middle or cut in the left or right. Okay, here we go. And just like what we have done before, adjust it and
excuse me, sir. Oh, yes.
in the right
Sorry
way.
for disturbing, sir.
Okay,
sure.
nice.
I'm looking
And
for
then maybe
Miss
also you
Masolida
can
Hotel.
add another
yes.
video.
Would you
Actually,
like to
maybe
tell me
more
where
than
is the
3
resort?
video you can put on your video in the same time. This is what make this application is amazing, just like this. And if you have finished, you can save it just like this, and there we go. Thank you very much for watching this video, guys. I hope you like it, and please share to your friends how to use the KineMaster Pro application. And then don't forget to like and subscribe this video also. Thank you, and see you in the next video. Bye.